Guys, William here. Have you guys noticed that the world seems to be getting lazier despite the advancement of technology recently? Well, there's a Harvard research which explains that Americans are doing about 30 minutes less physical activity as compared to many years ago. That's like half an hour less work. Well, many years ago, during the days of our great-great-grandparents or grandparents, they had to work really hard every single day to put food on the table, and well, they were still happy despite all the work that they had to do before they could even eat something. But well, in recent years, it's much different. For example, you've got the microwave, you've got the electric cooker, you've got many options that you can use to be able to cook your food. Well, millennials, I've been guilty of these points a couple of times myself in the past. There was a point in my life where I found it really difficult to be able to plan my day, plan my work, and do what I had to do each and every single day. So how about you guys? Do you ever feel like there's not enough hours in the day? Or do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to get everything done every single day as you plan it out? Well, you are not alone. I'm sure there's so many other people watching this video right now, including myself, who have felt that same way. So if you feel like you're not being productive enough or you can't seem to accomplish lots of tasks, here's what you need to do. Just hold on until the very last minute of the task which you had to accomplish, and then, well, the adrenaline is gonna kick in and you will do it so fast that you have no problem handling it from A to Z. Well guys, not really, but in this video I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to do. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you are amazing. If you watch this video until the end, you will understand the reasons why you can't seem to accomplish a lot of tasks and all the necessary steps you need to take in order to be more productive, and you need to start right now. And a quick tip, millennials, point number 5 is going to be an amazing one because it will let you save about 2 hours more of your day. So let's dive right into tip number 1, guys. You need to set clear goals. You know, millennials, one of the biggest productivity killers each and every single day for most people is not having clear goals. This is very important because if you do not have clear goals, you don't know where you are heading to. And you need to understand that without a clear goal, you will find yourself doing things that you didn't even plan to do. You will find yourself drifting away from the particular task that you are supposed to accomplish each and every single day. So you need to do your best to know that this is what you are supposed to do, this is what you are not supposed to do, this is the focus and the task which you are supposed to accomplish for that day, for that time. In one of my previous videos, I explained that you need to have small goals to be able to lead you up to your bigger goals. And that's exactly what you need to do in this point right now. Well, you can make use of your notepads, you can make use of your phone, of course, you can make use of the calendar. There are so many apps which you can use in your phone. You can jot all of your programs down, which will definitely help you stay focused on your goal for the day. So you need to make sure that you set specific, measurable, and attainable goals each and every single day. And when I talk about attainable goals, what do I mean? That's achievable goals. Make sure that your goals are achievable for that day. Do not set so many goals which can get your mind crowded and make you confused. So let's take, for example, guys, let's say you're about to write a blog post. Maybe you're a blogger, for example, and you're about to write a blog post, and when you get out of bed in the morning, you set your goal, and maybe you say you are going to write a blog post that day and upload it to your blog. The goal or the task you can set out for yourself is this: I'm going to make a 1,000 word blog post on productivity at 2 p.m. today for my blog. You need to include the specific time and the exact goal which you aim to accomplish by doing that particular task. Because when you condition your mind this way, you are making your brain aware that, okay, at this particular time, you are going to do this and that. So when that time is approaching, you already get your mind prepared, your brain is already getting ready to be able to accomplish that task at that particular time. So when you break all of this down in bits, you'll be able to accomplish more tasks each and every single day. Talking about breaking down your task into small achievable goals, that leads us to tip number 2, which is the 2-minute rule. I'm sure most of you guys are know about the 2-minute rule, which is aimed at wiping out procrastination. In this case, you should be able to tell mind that any task that can be accomplished within 2 minutes should be done immediately. You shouldn't push it forward, because if you start pushing tasks forward, you will find yourself pushing more and more tasks forward each and every single day, which will then lead you to not accomplishing all your tasks which you have set out for the day. For example, you have lots of emails that you need to reply. Well, most of those emails just need about 2 minutes for you to be able to reply. So what's stopping you from handling the emails right away? Open your email account, open the emails, reply to those emails immediately. That will take just about 2 minutes and you are done. Same goes for doing the laundry. You got dirty clothes, you got no one to wash them for you, you got a washing machine, you just got to take the clothes, put them in the washing machine, turn it on, and that's it. 2 minutes. That's a 2-minute rule. And well, millennials, if you're thinking about what else you can do in 2 minutes, here's a couple of stuff that you can do in just 2 minutes. Well, you can complete 10 jumping jacks, you can save a contact on your phone, you can answer 5 emails. If you are just from eating, you can wash your dishes immediately, or you can put it in the dishwasher, or you can toss your laundry into the washing machine, and you can take out the garbage, you can drink a glass of water, you can text your mom or your dad. Well, it takes just 2 minutes for you to be able to accomplish most of these tasks which you might feel like it's a burden for you. And of course, that will help you achieve more tasks each and every single day. And talking about accomplishing more tasks each and every single day, the very next tip, which is tip number 3, is that you need to prioritize your tasks. I'm sure we all have tasks each and every single day that we have to do, that we aim to do, but then all of these tasks are not the same. You need to have a scale of preference. Well, when we talk about a scale of preference, what are we talking about? We are talking about making a list of your most important tasks for that day. Well, you need to start with the most important and end with the least important. Well, you know, most of the times when we wake up in the morning or we go to work in the morning, we are more productive than the rest of the day. So you need to do your best to prioritize your tasks. And you should understand this, guys. It's not just about accomplishing more tasks. It's about accomplishing more quality tasks. It will serve you nothing to just do lots of tasks which can't really help you towards your bigger goal. Well, let's take for example, if you have to write a script for your YouTube channel, if you have to write a blog post for your blog, and if you have to do some laundry, which one are you going to do first? You can start probably with your blog or your YouTube channel before you move to your laundry, because of course when you accomplish the bigger task and the most important task, that will then motivate you to be able to do all the other smaller tasks. And well, millennials, after you have prioritized your tasks, the very next tip which can help you be more productive in your day is to take breaks. You need to do your best to take breaks each and every single day as you work. Well, you know, you are not a machine, you are not an AI. Recently there's an advancement of AI, but then you are not an AI, I am not an AI, we are not robots. So we can't work like robots. Remember that for you to be more productive, you need to rest. Your brain needs to rest. You need to take time off your schedule sometimes to take a break, take a short nap, to take a power nap, and after the short nap you'll be able to feel refreshed and get back to your work and even do it much better than you could have done it before. When we talk about a rest or a break, it doesn't mean that you should go take a long nap or some good dream in fairy tale land. You should just do your best, make sure that you can get some power naps or some very short rest, then you make sure that you get back to your work. And here's a tip, guys. Sometimes if you feel stressed or if you feel like, well, you are not accomplishing enough at that particular time, you can take a break. No one is putting a gun to your head. You should do your best. You take a break, you relax, take your mind off what you are doing, do something else. Maybe take a few minutes to play a video game, take a few minutes to take a walk out, take a few minutes to go for exercise. Just do something that can relax your mind and make you feel relieved. And of course, when you get back to your work, you'll feel so much more relieved that you'll be able to accomplish double the task which you could have accomplished if you didn't take that break. So do your best to take breaks when necessary. And now, millennials, for tip number 5, the last but not the least, you need to get enough sleep. I can't stress on this point enough. This is extremely important for everyone. You need to make sure that you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each and every single day. Well, of course, sometimes you might drift away from your regular sleeping schedule, but then you need to do it as regularly as possible. Sometimes I do drift away from my regular sleeping schedule because I usually have tasks that I need to accomplish before I can go to bed in order to be able to have a good night's sleep. But then, millennials, no matter what you do your best to make sure that you always get some good sleep, because if you do not get a good night's sleep, the whole day will be ruined for you and you would not even be able to accomplish any good task that day. And getting enough sleep is not just beneficial alone for your productivity, it's also beneficial for your health. Now, millennials, I understand that improving your productivity each and every single day is really hard. Well, it's easy, but you might feel like it's really hard. But then, if you can take your time and put in the work and just organize your day better and do all the steps that I have explained in this video, you will realize that you will start accomplishing more tasks each and every single day, and your health will also improve because, of course, accomplishing more tasks and being more productive definitely works hand in glove with your health. And if you would like to watch another video that can help your mental health and help you stay stable and accomplish more tasks each and every single day, feel free to check out this video right here, which can definitely help you. And of course, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, this is Willen. See you next time.